how to set up face unlock on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on fingerprint, face data and screen lock. After click on this option, click on face unlock and enter your phone pin. Click on next. If you want to set up face unlock, click on start. After 4 seconds, click on next. You will see show your face. After show your face, you will see your face unlock is setup is done. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set a face unlock on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.